Good day and welcome to the Weather Centre. It's a cloudy start to the day with heavy showers from early on across Gauteng and the Highveld of Mpumalanga. This band of cloud will move northeastwards during the course of the day, but first it's going to be hot and humid in the Lowveld. We're also seeing a cold front pushing in from the south. This will bring much cooler weather to the southern and southeastern parts of South Africa. Very strong winds likely along the east coast today, but it's also going to become breezy along the west coast with clear conditions. The South African Weather Service has a watch for localized flooding in Limpopo, Mpumalanga and Gauteng. This could be associated with heavy rainfall in the Lowveld and the adjacent escarpment. Finally, there's also a watch for gale force winds. That's as the cold front passes along the east coast with wind speeds exceeding 65 kilometers per hour between Cape St. Francis and East London. Widespread showers and thunder showers likely in the northeast today, with a 60% chance of rain over most of KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape, and it's also going to be quite rainy over the eastern half of the Western Cape. Daytime temperatures low in the south, only 18 degrees in Graafrenet, 17 in Bishu and George, 19 degrees in Sutherland this afternoon. Warmer to the north, 30 degrees in Uppington, a high of 25 in Pretoria today, and Bombela with a maximum of 29 degrees. Now let's take a look at the coastal forecast. Windy conditions likely along the entire coastline of South Africa. Strong winds later today along the west coast with an open ocean swell of 2.5 meters. It's going to become very windy along the Cape Peninsula, wind speeds averaging at 45 kilometers per hour. There's an open ocean swell up to 3.5 meters and wind direction southwesterly initially in the vicinity of Cape Agulhas. Southwesterlies very strong in the vicinity of Port Elizabeth, gale force winds possible. There's an open ocean swell of 3.5 meters as well, and low tide is expected just before 10 to 8. Along the east coast today, we're starting the morning off with a southwesterly swell of 2.5 meters. This will reach 3.5 meters towards the afternoon, and it's not going to be a great day to be outdoors. We're expecting average wind speeds of 50 kilometers per hour in East London, and strong winds will also affect the KZN coastline later on. That's all from the Weather Centre. Have a wonderful day.
Know more about your world. eNCA.com